Hey guys, we're just here from Car Sound Security. What we got today here is a Honda Accord 2010, and what we've installed is the StarLine S96 Alarm and Immobiliser system. So you need this tag to be able to drive the vehicle, or it will set the alarm off, and also you cannot drive it. So this tag is disabled at the moment. The system is armed, and also we installed additional what's called the warn away sensor. So if someone walks up to your car, as you can hear, it makes a beep saying to move away. So if you walk up again, so you can see, it tells you to, it warns you away from the vehicle if someone gets close to it. So now, if a thief also were to get close to it, obviously it will go off like that. And also, if a key does get hold of your key frequency by copying your key, and they were to unlock the vehicle, also when they get close, as you can see, it warns you away. So if they do get hold of your key frequency and try and unlock the door now without the tag, what's going to happen is the alarm's going to go off. As you can see, alarm goes off. Also, what's going to happen is they'll not be able to start the vehicle. As you can see, I'm turning the key, or if they copy to the OBD port, it will not start, fully immobilized. Also, what's going to happen is the system's going to call you on your phone.
I'm in alarm system mode. Door open. The car's condition is arm alarm system.
So as you can see, it lets you know someone's going in the vehicle and trying to start it. So what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to bring the tag. So now I got the tag with me. I'm able to disarm the alarm system now. And now I'm able to start the vehicle as well. Also, the system comes with a smartphone app which you can use. You can send the system various commands. You can lock and unlock the alarm system. As you can see, just armed it up now. Now the system's armed. And I can unlock the alarm as well. You can see there. Now the alarm's unlocked. I can also immobilize the vehicle by using the gun symbol. I can also put the system into service mode as well to turn it off for garage or valet use. You also got a full tracker built in, so you can track the vehicle. All included within one phone app. So if you want this installed on your vehicle to protect you from being stolen, give us a call on 028 554 5554 or come visit us at Car Sound Security Ltd. Thank you.